Hello YouTube, raining the tank on the second Baja Warrior. It's pretty much dirty. Dirty. Yeah, nighttime. We're getting this one right here together. We'll be back. It's nighttime. I know y'all can't see, but this is the start. Start it up. Should choke it. Get some daylight. Maybe tomorrow. For a real ride. Be back. Nighttime. Baja Warrior. The second one. That seemed like it was. I put a new train on there. I put a new train on there. Video update on the second Baja Warrior. It runs pretty good. We're just gonna change the paint on there. Pretty much painted black and paint the fenders blue. Pretty much probably just straight train it. Make it run a little bit faster. Remove the governor. Maybe some heavier dial springs. We'll give you the update. Just do an update. When we redo it. Beginning the process on the Baja Warrior, the second one. We're gonna probably put it all black. I'll paint the fenders black and everything black, and go from there. Starting that process. To start, be back.